guys,
Welcome back.
we made part 1,
Yeah,
and now it's part 2.
Okay, so yeah, there's gonna be a part 2, part 1 thing.
We made part 1, and then like 5 seconds later, we made part 2.
Okay.
So when is part 2 gonna be made?
After part 1 comes out.
So on November 1st?
No, on November 1st.
No. So
later today.
No, part 1's gonna come out today, and is part 2 gonna come out tomorrow?
Yes.
All right. Well, welcome back to part 2, and yeah.
Yeah, we're going trick or treating. If you haven't already seen the first video. Oh, look, vacuum and some bottles. That's Pacifico, not Corona. A bag. Yeah, we're not gonna take that. Could have Corona.
There's a cat.
Where?
Out there. Okay, let's go.
Where?
Let's go take us. We can find any houses, so we're gonna go to 2 more houses, and that'll be it.
Okay, so yeah.
I just want to eat. I don't know. I think I'm gonna do is just eating the snake first. It's like so. Look at me eating them.
Okay. Yeah, I
Wait, I hear the action racket.
I'm coming for you.
No, wait.
Quickly.
No, I hear the garbage can kid.
Wait, where?
The garbage kid. I hear him.
Do you mean the garbage?
Don't say anything.
Wait, the garbage? Oh no, we're not near the trash. Oh, I'm coming for you. Oh no, it's the trash guy. The trash monster. Oof. Ow. Ooh, my baby. Oh my god. Oh, what the heck? Oh, you. I'm the astronaut kid. Let's go team up and destroy both. Yeah, let's go. Oh, Mr. Budgie Marx, CGP and Mario. I'm coming for you. Yeah, what he said. I'm coming for you. Oh no. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so yeah. Astronaut kid and the trash monster are coming for us. We better run.
Okay, so we're gonna go to your house and
yeah.
I just want to eat this with that. How long do you think it'll take me to eat all of this?
I don't know. So yeah. I'm not gonna end the video. Because normally I say so yeah at the end of videos. Yeah, I just pranked you guys. You guys thought I was gonna end the video. I said I was gonna catch.
How long is it just so far?
It's only 20 minutes. Oh, 2 minutes. Okay.
Alright then. Oh yeah, the blue moon is about to come up. You ready?
Should you go to your house? Do you have candy?
No, we already went to mine. We're gonna go to your house.
Okay. Yeah, they're probably going to Lord's Resty Ranch.
Wait, we're gonna watch?
No. We're gonna watch the blue moon eclipse. Yeah, I think that's
Are you ready to see the blue moon?
Yeah, look, everyone's getting excited. They're all leaving. They're leaving. Yeah. Oh wait. The bag. The bag. The CGP lost his bag.
What bag?
The green bag.
Oh my! Did it fall off?
Yeah.
Boss. Wait, bag.
Where's my bag?
You have to go find it.
Oh wow. Whoa, you guys look.
It landed.
My hat landed.
Yeah,
so I got my hat back.
These cornflakes are so.
Wait, you don't think I use some cornflakes?
This cornflakes are so good.
Snowflakes?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna use them for something. I'm gonna put my hat back on. Hold on.
Okay,
so yeah. Okay, yeah. So I got my hat back on. No few. And they're going trick-or-treating or a Halloween party. So yeah, we're having our own little special thing. Ew.
Those are all Diego's friends, but they're not. Diego's not there.
Phew. I saw Diego before I made the video. Actually, no, before I went to your house.
Wait, why?
He's skateboarding by my street. No, so yeah, we continue where he left off.
What?
He was by my house. So yeah.
What is he doing?
Scootering. So yeah, we continue where
What are you going to?
What was?
What are you going to?
Oh no. We went that way.
Okay, let's go.
We went to. Okay.
Dude, they're coming.
Oh my god, we better go. It's a good thing I got rubber bands on the camera to hold it in place because yeah, I use my phone for recording. Yeah. And I put rubber bands because it just got a really big phone case. Before it wasn't really that good. Yeah. So yeah, I can't believe we've already made it this. Oh well, look, Mari, look, these are the new These are new steps.
Alright,
Do you remember?
Come. Oh, let's go. And these cornflakes are good.
You don't sound good.
These cornflakes are good.
You don't
Alright,
sound.
go to the next house. Let's go.
Yeah, you wanna rest your mouth for a bit.
No, these
gotta save
cornflakes
some.
are so good.
Yeah.
Who texted? Where?
Okay.
These other stuff.
You better leave some room for the candy.
Oh, I need to eat more. These are okay. Let's just keep going.
Okay. Yeah, I don't like where that's going. You better save some. Okay, so yeah.
Let's go. Oh, yeah. Okay, go. On bus. Oh yeah, I need to get some water when I go to your house.
Yeah.
Okay, ready? I'll bus.
Whoa, you guys, look, it's getting late. The sun is starting to set.
Small airplane.
Small airplane.
No, look right there.
Oh, I don't know if you guys see it, but yeah, there's a small airplane.
Alright, let's keep going. Let's keep going.
Okay, so yeah, so if we want to watch this blue moon eclipse, we're gonna have to get somewhere up high, like up there.
Let's keep going.
Yeah, we'll see you guys at the top.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. So yeah, we're actually up pretty high. Look! Oh my God! You don't sound too good. Yeah. Yeah, we gotta see this blue moon eclipse. I want to get this on camera.
Alright, it's gonna come in like an hour. Just wait a little bit.
Okay. Yeah, so we're gonna wait for the blue moon eclipse.
It's
So yeah.
gonna come in like an hour, dude.
No, it's not. Okay, we're gonna wait for it.
Okay. It's too long.
No, I mean just look. It's the sun is already setting. Hurry up, set. Do your winter timeline. Set.
Just wait. Let's just go to one more house, okay?
Okay, but you need to stop eating the snowflakes.
So let's go to one more house and then we can come back, okay?
Okay, fine. Yeah, we don't have any candy. Yeah, I showed him. Now, come on, let's go. Come on, get up. Oh my God, yes, they're shaking right behind me. Yeah, geez, Mario's that heavy.
Okay, ready?
Okay. Okay. Yeah.
Take me to the doctor's.
Okay, after we see this lunar eclipse. Sit down, come on.
I'm gonna press so. I need a doctor.
Okay.
I just need more snowflakes.
Stop eating snowflakes.
No.
Okay, so yes.
I need more snowflakes.
Okay, so yeah. I'm not gonna eat my treats until the darn lunar eclipse appears now. What? You okay? Nah. Well, he'll be fine. Okay.
Take me to the doctor.
Okay, fine. How about this? Oh well. How about this? Oh my God, you're heavy. Oh jeez, how many snowflakes did you eat? Oh, I can't believe I was able to lift you. You ate a lot of snowflakes, but I was expecting for you to eat the whole thing.
I can't.
Jeez, you're heavy, actually.
Take me to a doctor.
You know, why is your head heavy? Is it the bracelet or is it your stomach? Because you ate too many.
Take me to a doctor.
Okay, fine, but you better. Okay, fine.
I need vaccine.
You okay? Okay, so
I
yeah.
need some water. Just go give me some water.
We don't have water.
Don't you have some at your house?
No.
At your house, inside your thing, next to your table. Don't you have some?
No, we're running low.
Just give me one.
No, we're running low. We're actually running low. I think we only have about 3 or 4 bottles left.
Just give me one. That's it.
No.
Okay.
Yeah, blue.
I can't. Get back. Where's the blue moon? It's not.
Okay, you better not. I'm gonna look over the footage.
Alright,
I will.
not right now. Don't make a part 3.
Okay.
Just gonna take me to somewhere warm. I can't move.
Because you're too fat. You ate too much.
I can't move.
Let's give it back. Okay.
Cash, you keep it.
Okay, yeah, thanks.
You know what,
Okay.
CGP?
What?
Can you just like take me to like your house?
Why?
I just need to. Just take me outside and just give me some like a little tiny drip infection. I'll feel better.
Oh, a
The
drip of
hospital's
what?
right below.
There's no hospital around here for miles.
There's a hospital right below us. It's your house.
No, it's not. I don't have any medical equipment.
Then I don't know. Then I'm gonna stay off this forever.
I don't study urine. That'd be gross, actually, and I wouldn't want
well,
to.
I'm not gonna see the blue moon.
Yes, we will. Yes, we will.
I'm gonna fall. I'm gonna pass out.
Ah! There's one thing I'm gonna give you. Then it will help
My
you.
eyes keep closing. I'm gonna pass out in like a minute.
Okay, fine. I have some medicine, okay?
Okay, fine.
Okay, so...
Just take some gummies.
You sure you're gonna eat more? Because you already had snowflakes. There's only one thing that will wake you up.
Let me eat one.
Okay. I have this. Okay, now time for you to wake up. Oh. Now this is actually what's gonna wake you up. There.
Oh, stop.
Are you awake?
No.
Oh my god. Oh, it actually fell in, look.
Then I put a whole bunch of gummies out and eat.
Okay, yeah, those gotta wake you up. Those will wake up gummies, actually. I don't know what that guy even gave us. Okay, so yeah, throw it. Okay.
I'll be back.
Yo, oh boy, guys, Halloween is starting. It's starting. Okay. Oh, hey, don't swear. If you swear, you're a square. Okay, okay, throw it. I don't see it. Anyway, so I'm gonna go get me some candy right here. I'll be right back.
Okay. Oh my gosh, I got some candy.
Wait, what? Wait, what? You weren't. Wait, were you up? What was I not looking?
The candy just appeared on my face.
Okay, well, yeah, I got some candies. I think I don't know. Are you okay? Oh yeah, he's asleep. Okay, I'm asleep too. Okay, see you guys in a bit. Oh my god. Oh, that was a really good nap. Oh, well, look how blue the sky is. Yeah, so yeah, I'm gonna take another nap, Mario. Oh, he's still goddamn heavy. Yeah, I'm gonna go to sleep. Oh, that was a good power nap. Mario.
I need more. I need more snowflakes.
No more snowflakes.
I need more.
I'm gonna take those away.
No, stop. This is my snowflakes. You're not gonna take them away from me. I'm gonna sit right here and enjoy my snowflakes.
Oh, okay. I still haven't eaten any of your gummies.
The snowflakes are good. I like snowflakes.
Finger looking good. Okay, so you guys, there's no blue moon in sight just yet. What? Yeah, it's paused. Wait, no, it's unpaused. So yeah, I still have my trash bag hat on. Mario, stop. Yeah, so this is a mess we made. Yeah, we're gonna clean it up afterwards.
Yeah, I'm just gonna keep eating my snowflakes.
Yeah, stop eating that. So yeah, you're gonna take your tray home. You're gonna take a Mario. Yeah, I'm gonna take off the hat.
Love my snowflakes.
Okay, so yeah. I love this hat. I love this so much. I don't know why. It's kind of covering right now. There we go.
You're not gonna watch my video. It's gonna be a sneak peek.
Okay. Okay, so yeah, his videos about
should I show a sneak peek of my video? Let's show it. Alright guys, this is a sneak peek for my video.
Yeah, the new video, an Among Us video.
Yeah, that's a sneak peek. This is right in the beginning of the video.
Okay.
This is just a sneak peek.
Shush on campus. Okay, so yeah, his sneak peek video was about an Among Us video coming out tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow, November 1st. Yeah, I'm still gonna be wearing the hat, maybe. It makes everything look green. I will, squawk when I see the blue moon. Okay? Okay, guys, did you know that Among Us is actually an indie game?
You have to get Among Us. It's a good game.
It's an indie game.
But you have to get it. It's a good game.
Yeah, there's a lot of indie games. There's a Hollow Knight. Yeah, it's kind of violent. It actually has knives, blood, and guns. It also has some of the characters being aliens, like a bleh. Okay. Yeah, I wish Monk 6843 was home. Yeah, it would have been very good in the video. But he said he went to visit his brother. So yeah. It's kind of dark. The sun is actually starting to set, and here comes night. It's gonna be so cool. I kind of wonder why I even chose this spot. Okay. So hey, Eric is working on his new video for tomorrow.
Look at it. I feel. Why? Look. I said. I put green maybe, and they put it down.
Okay. So yeah, if it gets wrong, boo.
How long's the video?
15 minutes.
How much?
15. I don't see the blue moon yet. Have any of you guys seen the blue moon? No? Okay.
Alright,
Where
guys.
could the guys be?
Till the blue moon. We are going to be singing, guys, until the blue moon comes out. We will show you guys, okay? Next part, blue moon, okay?
Hold up, are indie games made in India? That's a question. What?
Well, how many seats are
He one sick boy. There's people. I don't know what's going on. And who cares about a relationship?
Hey, look how many followers I got. It's right
Oh, look, it's coming out. It's coming out. Yo. The moon is not blue.
It's not blue.
No, I was lied.
Bruh, it's not blue.
I was lied. I thought the moon was gonna be blue. It said it's white.
It's all yellow.
Well, I mean, the moon is white and yellow from time to time, but no, not blue. Yeah?
Take this chain off me, it hurts.
Okay,
Take it
fine, I'll
off.
take it off.
Take it off me.
Ah, oh my god. Oh my god, ow.
Take it off.
Oh my god.
Never touching that ever again.
Oh, well, what about the wire? Yeah, so, yeah, the moon is not blue. We lied. It's yellow. So, yeah. We have reached the end of the show. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please enjoy.
Oh, snowflakes. Stop, dude. I swear.
Just drop them. You don't need them anymore.
No, they're good. I need them for the rest of my life.
You only get a month's supply of that.
A month? Okay, I need to get some more then. For next month.
There's probably not going to be any next month. So, yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Please enjoy. Make sure to like and subscribe and share.
No. It's gonna fall.
And so,
You
thank you
help
guys
me.
for watching.
Help me. It's gonna fall.
You don't need those.
Help me.
Laughter. Yeah, this is all edited.
Ugh.
Oh my god, okay. So, yeah, thank you guys for watching. Please enjoy. Make sure to like and subscribe and share. Ring that bell for notifications and have a happy Halloween. Bye. Okay, yeah. Happy Halloween. I mean, no.
Okay. Bye.
Bye.